Hey, hi friend, this is Taposan and welcome to this module. So this module is alternative approach patterns. Okay, so what is it? The idea behind is suppose something is existing there, something is existing, some solution is existing there, but we don't know any other alternative ways that can be done or not. So suppose, for example, suppose. For example, that marketing strategy, suppose I want to start a selling product. Okay, suppose for that only, what do you know? We know a traditional marketing, like we need to add it to TV, television, sorry, TV, banner, and all the platforms are available, but we don't know the digital platform also can work for us. But what happens is, so compared to traditional marketing, I want to know any other alternative ways are available or not, so that I can sell my product. So this is one example. Another example might be, suppose the education system, like suppose for getting any certificate or for getting any degree, diploma. So our concept is we need to go to school, colleges, university, then only we will get the certification, then only we will get the diploma, and all the levels we will get. But nowadays what happens is the alternative ways are there. So like we can do it online, like you are doing online. PG diploma is there, certification is there, MBA program is there, all the details are there. So what the concept behind is, suppose the alternative ways we want to know. Suppose I am telling this, I am telling that, but I am thinking that that is the only ways only, that is the only way I need to follow, that is the only thing I need to do, that is the only work I have to do. So this is not. So we will ask ChatGPT, this is the way I know, or this is the way, but is there any other alternative ways to achieve my goal? So then just explain me. So what ChatGPT or any other artificial tool, what they will do is, they will provide all the alternative suggestion, all the alternative. Suppose you are doing X. Okay, you are doing X. So apart from X, there are lots of ways like A, B, C, D, E, F. This many approaches are there, so you can follow this and you can test it, and it will provide the current date update, current update. It is not like that it is backward backdated. Okay, so it will provide your latest update. So this is the concept behind it. So here it is. Now the alternative approaches pattern is designed to enhance decision making and problem solving by identifying and evaluating multiple ways to achieve a given task. This pattern encourages creative thinking and critical analysis, allowing users to explore various strategies and choose the most effective one based on their specific needs and constraints. By providing alternative methods, this pattern helps in optimizing outcomes, improving efficiency, and addressing potential challenges from the different angles. Okay, so I think you have got the idea. So let us practice. So this is one example. So I have given few examples, you can copy paste and you can replace your content. So for time being, I will show you two example in practically. So see here, marketing strategy development. Suppose this is my subject. So what I will do, I will copy this. Okay, let me first explain. If there are alternative ways to develop a marketing strategy for my new product launch, so I want to uh, 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 launch my new product. Okay, so list the best alternative approach. So I know that I need to do marketing, but it might be traditional marketing if in your mind, or it might be any other particular marketing strategy you have. But the alternative, I don't aware about that. Suppose might be marketing number one, but I have in my mind that marketing number one is only available. Other marketing strategies are not available, like A, B, C, D, 3, 4, 5, 6. Those marketing strategies are, I'm not aware about that. So you give me the alternative suggestion, so that I can think that okay, this might be good, so let me try this. Okay, so like this. So if there are alternative ways to develop a marketing strategy for my new product launch, list the best alternative approaches. Then what you will do, compare or contrast pros and cons, so that I can understand that this many problems are there, this many benefits are there, so I can understand. And then pros and contrast the compare or contrast the pros and cons of each approach, okay, including the original strategy, I mentioned, and prompt me for which approach I would like to use. So then after that I will tell you that you will ask me that which approach I want to choose. I will choose that approach, and then again you will tell me whether this is the right approach or not. So I think you got an idea. Okay, you got an idea. So I am going to launch my product. I have in my mind that this marketing plan is good for me. Okay, but I don't know other alternative approaches. So in that case what will happen is, in that case what will happen is in that case you can give me the alternative approaches. So after providing that, you will when you will provide the alternative approaches, you will tell me the pros and cons also, and then you will ask me which approach I should go for. And then again I will select that this approach is perfect for me. And after that what you will do, you will tell me whether I have the approach I selected that is correct or wrong. Okay, so let us practice, it will be more clear. So here we will go, and then we will test it. See, now see what happens. When launching a new product, there are several marketing strategies to consider, each with a strength and weakness. Here is a comparison of some of them best approaches, including your original strategy of social media marketing with Facebook ads and funnel. Okay, so previously I mentioned it that social media and Facebook ads and funnel. Okay, so the social media marketing with Facebook ads and funnel, this is the original strategy, and it has given me all the details. Highly targeted, the pros are highly targeted advertising, scalable, immediate result, detailed analytics. Okay, cons is ad fatigue, require continuous optimization, potential high cost. Okay, then the second concept is content marketing with SEO, pros and cons, all the details are there. Influencer marketing is the third alternative approach. Here also pros and cons. And then fourth approach is email marketing with a lead magnet. Suppose this kind of marketing strategy I can follow. Apart from this, this is my original approach number one. But apart from this, there are many approaches like content marketing with SEO, influencer marketing, problem and cons also, pros and cons also here given. Email marketing with the lead generation. Then the fifth concept is partnership and collaboration. Then comparison summary, all the details and your next step. So here all the possible way it has mentioned. Okay, all the possible ways. Apart from this social media marketing, this many marketing concepts are available, so I can avail for launching my product. So again, the end of the content, what it is saying, comparison summary also is given. Immediate impact, Facebook ads, influencer marketing and email marketing can provide quick results, while content marketing and partnership may take longer to yield significant outcomes. Okay, all the comparison also is given. And then the next step, what is it, which approach resonates the most with your goals for the new product launch? It is asking which approach I would like to go for. So if you are learning towards a different strategy or would like to combine multiple approaches, I can help you plan the next step accordingly. Okay, so again, suppose in this case I will say uh, let me original approach 1, and then I will go for email marketing. So I will say 4 1 and 4, 1 and 4. This approach I want to able that social media marketing and that email marketing. Okay, so it is saying great choice. Combine social media marketing with Facebook ads and funnel. Strategy 1 with email marketing and lead magnet. Strategy 4 can create a powerful integrated marketing approach for your product launch. Here is how you can effectively implement both strategies together. So now it's being narrowing down the further content that I have given social media marketing and the email marketing. So based on that, it has given again, it has provided me the detailed information. uh, it has given me the detailed information based on the social media marketing and all. So step number one, create a high converting lead magnet, identify a problem, develop the lead magnet, design an opt-in page. Step 2, run Facebook ads to promote the lead magnet. And inside that, audience targeting, add creative, A/B testing, drive traffic. Step number 3, build an automated email sequence. And here the welcome email, nurture sequence, introduce the product, special offers. Then step number 4, funnel and retargeting campaigns, conversion funnel. Step 5, continuous optimization, monitor performance, adjust strategies, scale up. Benefit of this combined approach: integrated marketing, higher conversion rates, okay, and then scalability. So all the detailed information it has given. Are you ready to implement this strategy, or do you need further assistance with the specific steps? So again, if you want to discuss something with ChatGPT, that okay, explain me this, explain me that, so it will explain. The suppose you want to get more information about step number 4, funnel and retargeting. Again, you can ask ChatGPT, explain step 4. Step 4, see, it will again provide a detailed information about it. Step 4, funnel and retargeting. Is it? See, funnel and retargeting. So it will provide more detailed information. Retargeting campaigns. Objective is this, how it works, track user behavior, create custom audience, design retargeting ads, set up campaigns, benefit, conversation funnel. All the detailed information it was given. All the detailed information, optimization step, analyze metrics, A/B testing, refine funnel steps, all the details it has given. Okay, so I think it's pretty clear to you that how you can use the alternative approach pattern, how it works. Okay, how it works, alternative approach pattern. So it is pretty clear to you. So again, we will test another example. Okay, let me take another example. Suppose time management, this is the example I want to take. Let me take and then paste it. Let's see how it works. For every method I suggested, okay, the original method, what is my prompt? My prompt is, for every method I suggest for improving my time management, if there are any alternative techniques that could also be effective, list the best alternative methods, compare and contrast the pros and cons of each technique, include the original method I mentioned, and prompt me for which technique I would like to try. Again, here is the original method, the Pomodoro techniques, description, pros and cons, time blocking, pros and cons, Eisenhower metrics, okay, pros and cons, then getting things done, pros and cons, the 2 minute rule, okay, pros and cons, comparison summary. And your next step, it is asking which techniques aligns best with your goals and work style. Feel free to choose one or even combine elements for different methods to create a personalized time management strategies. So in this, there's suppose I want to go for 5. For example, I will write it 5. So it will suggest me whether it is good or not. Great choice. The 2 minute rule can be highly effective way to manage small task and boost your overall productivity. Here is how you can implement it effectively. Implementing the 2 minute rule, how can I do it? Identify task, immediate action, integration with other methods, review and adjust, avoid overuse, benefits, possible challenges. So all the detailed information it has given. Okay, so all the detailed information it has given. So I think you have got a pretty clear idea about how the alternative approaches pattern works. So you can see the quality of the content, the outcome of the content. Only I have written this single prompt, very small and very simple prompt I have given, and what kind of content it has delivered to me. So I think it's pretty clear to you how alternative approaches pattern works. And so use your own example, practice it, and I'm sure you will get the better version out of it. Okay, so that's it for this video. We will meet in the next video. Okay, so till then, thank you.